Alright, so we just did the divisibility rule for 3. There's actually one for 7 as well. So, turns out you don't need a calculator to look at a bigger number and know if it's divisible by 7. Here's the trick. You ready? Okay. Take the very last number. Oh, they all happen to be 2. Okay, anyways. Take the very last number. It doesn't have to be 2, it just so happens that, okay. So, and you multiply it by 2, and then you subtract the rest of it from that. So let's go ahead and try. So the first one is 182. So you take the 2, you times by 2, and we get 4. And then you bring the rest of it down, which is 18, and you subtract. And if that number is divisible by 7, then you're good. 18 minus 4 is 14. 7 goes into 14, 7 goes into 182. 292. And it's minus, you multiply that last number by 2, and it's 4. 29 minus 4 is 25. 7 does not fit inside 25 nicely, so it doesn't fit inside this one. 1092. So you take the last digit, which is a 2 here, multiply it by 2, and you get 4. Bring the rest of it down, and you get 109, right? And you minus them. And what's that? 105. Now let's say you're stuck again. You don't know if 7 goes into this again, and you don't want to use a calculator. You could do the same trick. 10 minus 2 times 5 is 10, which is 0. And if the answer is 0, that's okay, because 0 divided by 7 is we're in business. So that one checks out. So you saw that one had a multiple step one. I think this one's a multiple step one too, if you don't want to keep on doing it, but you can keep on repeating that process over and over. This last one, so you take 457 and you minus it from, you multiply the last digit by a 2, so 1 times 2 is 2, so 457 take away 2, that's 455. We can do it one more time. So that's 45 minus, you multiply the last digit again by 2, so that's a 10. Okie doke. And then 45 minus 10, that's 35. And we have that 7 goes into 35, so 7 goes into this last one as well. And there you have it, the divisibility rule for 7.